Yeah, and just to show you some other nonsensical stuff. Whilst Maulana Ashraf Ali Thanwi Sahib is on a roll with wizardry, look at the other things he presents. Look at this. This is Maulana Sahib on a roll. Penis enlargement. And you're not going to believe how the penis is enlarged. I mean, you couldn't make this stuff up. Wallahi, this is in his book. You go to a graveyard. Abbe mere chache. What is this fixation with graveyards? Everything, go to a graveyard. What should we do with the Quran? Put it in the graveyard. I know, I need my penis enlarged. Okay, what shall I do? TK, I'm in the graveyard. What now? Bring back 7 big ants. 7 big ants. Kill them one by one. Oh, Maulana Sahib. Kasme. Let's go on. What else? What should I do? Okay, I've killed them. 1, 2, one by one. One by one, I've killed them. Next. Put them in jasmine oil in a bottle. Okay. If things were ominous enough already, what should I do? Now I've got 7 dead ants, big ants that are dead one by one in jasmine oil. What do I do next? Bury that bottle in goat's droppings for a day and night. Okay, wait there. Then what? Next day, take it out. Mix these ants properly in the oil. Rub your private parts with a thick cloth until it is reddish. Then massage this oil on it and leave it for 20 minutes. And inshallah, your... I mean, your intellect definitely ain't going to grow. Yo, Maulana Sahib, huh? Find ants. Acha, TK, what now? Now I need to find goat droppings and I need to bury it in goat droppings. This, they call him the wise man of the Ummah, Hakimul Ummat. Abey yaar, ummat ka kya hoga yaar? Ummat ka. What's going to happen to the Ummah if this is the Hakim, this is the wise man? Right, then we're going to rub this on our penis. Ants. I'm going to rub 7 dead ants mixed with jasmine oil on my private parts. This is what for penis enlargement. Alternate to surgery. Cha. Yeah, but one thing though, he had concern for the Ummah. Enlarge their penises. Acha shabash. And then go and do what you do. This is, and you couldn't make this nonsense up. I mean, this is actually in his book, which is in print. So that is the actual, the therapy guys. So on the bright side, I know what guys are going to be doing after they watch this. They go, yaar, it's the 6th ant. 7th ant mil jaye yaar. Koi. Ayo babyo. This is the thing. Like I feel on one hand you've got on the other hand you've got 7 dead ants. Yaar, I honestly don't know what is going on. This, and they say, why do you feel younger people are not interested in Islam? I mean, forget younger people, older people, nobody will be interested in it after we get a bit more wisdom like this coming our way. But this is the thing. Will anybody speak up that is from that? You see, because if a Brelvi says it, they say, oh, yeah, he's a Brelvi, he's going to hate anyway. If a Salafi says it, they're going to say, yeah, he's going to hate anyway, he's not a Muqallid, he's not. Why don't the Deobandis themselves criticize it? Just criticize, look, at the end of the day, Allah says, that stand for justice. Qumu, shuhada, like be walau ala anfusikum, even if it's against some of you. But just stand bil qist, with justice. So yeah, people, we've gone on. I was trying to keep today a bit brief. Kahan yaar, kahan hota hai yaar. Let's wrap this up.